Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, here again, another day, we will talk about how to resolve a problem in HackerRank. Okay, so we have 30 days of code, and now we have in the third day, which is intro to conditional statements. So, the problem, as you see here, we have objective. In the objective, we need to understand how the conditional statements working inside Python. After that, we have a task, we have an input format, constraint, output format, and as you see here, we have a couple of examples, and last but not least, the explanation. So let's move on the task and see it. Given an integer n, perform the following conditional actions. If n is odd, we print weird. If n is even and inclusive in the range 2 to 5, we print no weird. If n is even and inclusive in the range for 6 to 20, we print weird. If n is even and greater than 20, we print not weird. Complete the stub code provided in your editor to print whether or not n is weird. So the input format, a positive integer n, the output format, weird, if the number is even, and otherwise, if it's not, we print not weird. So the number is odd if we divide it by, the number is not weird if we divide it by 2 and we have 0 as a result of the division. Okay, so the number mod 2 is equal 0. If the number mod 2 not equal to 0, then we have it odd. Okay, so if you see here, we have odd, we print weird. So there is two cases and we have to print odd. The first thing that you have to understand is odd if something we divide it by 2, we have a result, which means something mod 2 not equal to 0. If something uneven is something we divided by 2, we don't have any result, which mean number mod 2 is mod 2 is equal 0. Then we have two use cases, one is weird, and we have three use cases in which is not weird. So if you see here, if it's odd, we print weird. If it's even and inclusive 6 to 20, we print weird. So this is the cases. The even is if the number is even and in the range 2 to 5, or we have another one, if the number is even and greater than 20, then we print not weird. So the output, so if we have input 3, this is odd, then we print weird. If it's 24, we print no weird. So the explanation is really simple. So n equal to 3, n is odd number and odd numbers are weird, so we print weird. The case number 1, n equal 24, so n is more than 20 and n is even, so isn't weird, then we print not weird. Let's start coding and let's talk. More work, let's talk. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So let's change this to our presentation mode. Okay, import this model. So we have n, int, always int, input. Okay, after that if n, okay, let's use this n better. So after that if n mod 2 no is equal 0, okay, or n, this is another case, mod 2 equal 0 and n in x range 6 to 21, we print weird. Let's put this in range better. And this is weird. Okay, like this. Okay, so this one, okay, we take this, copy this one and we put it here. So this is not weird, and then if the number is not even here and n in the range 2 6, so we have 2, we have 6 here, okay, or n is more than 20. Okay, so this is our program. Let's go and run this. Okay, let's go this here. And we exit the presentation mode, go to the project and we try to run this. Okay, we run this, we put 3, it's weird. We go to this one again, go to the presentation mode, we run this again, so we put here 12, it's another weird. We run this again, 24, it's not weird because this is an even number and is in the range and more than 20. Run this again, put 13, this is an odd number, weird. We run this again and we put 7, this is weird as well because if you see this is an even number, okay, and this is in this range, this is an odd number, sorry. So if we take this, let's take 8 for example, this is weird as well. So ladies and gentlemen, we finish here and then I see you in the next video.